So we are in information technology here. Lastly, we discussed up to 250 number of MCQ. Now 251. Which of the following involves analyzing complex relationship among thousands or even million of data items stored in data mart, data warehouse, and other multidimensional database to discover patterns, trend, exception, condition? Here, basic answer is online analytical process, OLAP. So what is online analytical process? This is the structure of online analytical process. Is the technology behind many business intelligence application. Online analytical processing is a powerful technology for data discovery, including capability of the limitation of report review, complex analytical calculation, and predictive what-if scenario, budget forecast, etc. So this is the database here. Here database is the data warehouse, and within the data queue, probability table, etc. is OLAP analysis doing in this way within the database. If which of the following types of analysis the value of the only one variable is changed repeatedly and the resulting change other variable are observed? Here basic answer is sensitivity analysis. You do it in your, also you will do it in your financial accounting. So here also within the capital budgeting chapter, sensitivity analysis, critical analysis, etc. So which of the following, that means a sensitivity analysis type of the analysis, the value of only one variable is changed repeatedly and the result change in the other variable are observed. So what is sensitivity analysis? We know is determine how different value of an independent variable affect to the particular dependable variable under a given set of assumptions. In other words, sensitivity analysis is study how various sources of uncertainty in a mathematical model contribute to the models of overall uncertainty. Summary transaction data, high volume data, and simple model of information input, characteristics of here decision support system, management information system, executive support system, transaction processing system, TPS. So here answer is management information system. The summary transaction data, high volume data, and simple model are information input characteristics of a MIS. Projection and response to queries are information output characteristics associated with here say same as previous, but here executive support system. So projection and response to queries are information output characteristics associated with executive support system, ESS. Decision support system involve all of the following types of analytical modeling activities except one. So that one we should find out. So here decision support system involve what if analysis is true, sensitivity analysis also true, goal seeking analysis true, but heuristics it is not true. So your answer is D. Another name of goal-seeking analysis. So goal-seeking analysis, another name is how can. Goal-seeking analysis, another name is how can. In which of the following types of analysis the goal is to find the optimum value of the one or more target variable given certain constraint? Here basic answer is sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis. In sensitivity analysis, the goal is to find the optimum value for one or more target variables given certain constraint. So here and here, the first goal of executive information system is to provide top executive with immediate and easy access to information about a firm or organization. That is key factors that is critical to accomplish an organization strategic objectives. So here basic thing is critical success factor. So what is critical success factor is including here. Critical success factor also know the key result area or the area of any business or project to vital to its success. And critical success factors are that. Look here. This is the critical success factors. Within this factor, it's capable technical personnel within the organization, effective risk management can be established, effective communication can be established, effective planning through the effective planning, capable to manage effective KPI, key performance indicator KPI, effective quality control, effective cost establishment, effective process and system, effective milestone tracking, and effective change management. So this is the critical factor, critical success factor. Dash is a field of science and technology based to disciplines such as computer science, biology, psychology, etc. mathematical engineering. Here basic answer is artificial intelligence. So we can say artificial intelligence is a field of science and technology, etc. And what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence process by machine, especially computer system. A specific application of artificial intelligence include expert system, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. So here, technically Dash is a defined structure for effective communication. So here, the answer is network. Technically, network is a defined structure for effective communication. Network is a defined structure for effective communication. So what is network? Network, also known as the computer network, is the practice of transmitting and exchange data between nodes over a shared medium, even information system. Network facilitated everything from telephone call to text message to stream video to the Internet of Objects, IoT. EDP means, you know, it is very much easy. EDP. EDP means electronic data processing. So another one, hardware of computer means what is that? Paper use, plastic box, electronic circuit and devices. Magnetic, but the answer is electronic circuit and devices. So hardware of a computer means electronic circuit and devices. So electronic devices and circuits are the branch of engineering in which the flow of the control of electronics in vacuum or semiconductor are studied in called electronics. The device which control the flow of electronics is called electronics device. These devices are the main building of blocks of electronic circuit. The payment of internet is generally made through cash card, debit card, credit card, digital signature. What would be the answer? The payment of internet is generally made through credit card. Here, which of the following is a requirement of e-commerce? So requirement e-commerce here must require the internet connectivity. Without internet connectivity, we cannot fulfill our e-commerce business. So which of the following is a requirement for e-commerce? Internet connectivity is a requirement of e-commerce. Answer is B. Now 265. The component of an expert system, we know is expert system, include dash that perform interface of the knowledge in the knowledge base and communicate answer to user's question. So here answer also knowledge base and software modules. Component of the expert system include knowledge base and software modules that perform interface of a knowledge in the knowledge base and communications answer to the user question. Dash is a processing of raw data by using a computer to perform the selection and ordering process. So here electronic data processing. Electronic data processing is the processing of raw data by using a computer to perform the selection and ordering process. So here is the here knowledge base that you working is the expert system. This is the knowledge base and different data using with the system through the software and take the decision for the expert decision taking from the expert system for decision making by the top management. A computer security protocol for logging in would be an example of dash component and information system. No software hardware data here procedure. That means procedure. The computer security protocol logging would be example of a procedure component of an information system. So if you see where it is a system perspective, here we know in the system there should be an input, should be process, and also have the output. So the basic logic thing here within the system, and system had the feedback for proper utilization, and within the input, if we go for the manufacturing, we can the input would be the material, capital, labor, etc., and output can be goods or service. A system is a place for the operation. So একটা সিস্টেম হচ্ছে এমন একটা জায়গা যেখানে কাজ করা যায় সিস্টেম. A system is a place for the operation. Answer A. A process is normally carried out. What would the answer? A process is normally carried out on the system. So here a process is normally carried out on the system. Boundaries of the system are the system and environment interface. So boundaries of the system are the system and environment interface. So look here, if this is the system, and within the surrounding, this is the total boundary and all process within that system. So if you see that here the red box, red color, and here look here, and all system within the boundary, here the system surrounding is the environment and interface, and within the environment the system alive or exist, and we can do only within the boundary, inside the boundary. So here boundaries of the system are the system and environment interface. Customer numbers and the names would be an example of the component of an order management information system. So here, what is the component? That component is data. Customer number and their names would be an example of a component of an order management information system, and that component is data. Answer C. Non-routine cognitive skills include communication, problem solving, abstract resolving. Answer is D, all of the above. The system which keeps use of the activities and transactions of the organization is knowledge level system. So knowledge level system which keeps us of the activity, knowledge level system keeps us of the activities and transactions of the organization. A stable system is a system does not vary with home. Stable system is a system does not vary with home. The actual machinery in a computer is called hardware. যেটা দেখা যায়, ধরা যায় এটা. The actual machinery is a computer is called hardware. E-commerce means business through electronic media. E-commerce means business through electronic media. A human order tracking can be bypassed when using transaction processing system. A human order taking can be bypassed when using a transaction processing system. If you are a dash, receive a sensitive information such as might be overhead or contained in a misdirected email, this should not be legal but might be unethical to use it. If you are a passive, not active, passive recipient of sensitive information, if you are a passive recipient of sensitive information such as might be overhead or contains in the misdirected email, this should not be legal but might be unethical to use it. Which is not a domain of artificial intelligence. Here, virtual reality is artificial intelligence, domain of artificial intelligence. Online transaction processing. Online transaction processing used when it is required to answer random question and all files are available on online. So online transaction processing used when it is required to answer random queries and all files are available online. Which of the following is not a characteristics of good information? Here, good information should be accuracy, cost effective, relevant, and interoperability. So what is interoperability? Interoperability means একটার সাথে একটা যে অপারেট করে, যখন এখন যেটা চলতেছে সামনে যেটা হচ্ছে interoperability মানে হচ্ছে এক ব্যাংকের টাকা আরেক ব্যাংকে আপনি আপনার অ্যাকাউন্টের টাকা আরেক ব্যাংকে আপনি দিতে পারবে। ব্যাংক টু ব্যাংক interoperability ক্লিয়ারিং সাথে সাথে হয়ে যাবে। যেমন হচ্ছে আবার এমন হলো আপনার বিকাশে টাকা আছে, আপনার নগদের অ্যাকাউন্ট আছে, আপনি বিকাশ থেকে নগদে ট্রান্সফার করলেন নিজে নিজে এবং এটা চলে যাবে। আবার নগদ থেকে আপনি বিকাশ আনলেন, এটা চলে যাচ্ছে। এটা হলো interoperability, একটার সাথে একটা এই যেগুলো অপারেটিং ইয়াগুলি আছে তারা নিজেদের ভিতরে যে অপারেশন করার সুযোগ সেটা আছে। যে মনে করেন আপনি হয়তো আপনার ডাচ বাংলা ব্যাংকে আপনার অ্যাকাউন্ট আছে, এখন আপনি আপনার একজনকে টাকা দিচ্ছেন, তার হলো ঢাকা ব্যাংকে। এখন আপনি এই যে ঢাকা ব্যাংকে আপনার থেকে আপনি ট্রান্সফার করে দিতে পারতেছেন, সাথে সাথে ওটা চলে যাবে। এটা এই ব্যাংকের সাথে এটার সাথে যে মানে ইন্টারনাল এটা কিন্তু বাংলাদেশ ব্যাংক করতে যাচ্ছে এবং সব ব্যাংকগুলোর ভিতরে interoperability থাকবে। The quality of your dash is a large part of the quality of your information system. The quality of your thinking, মানে আমার যদি চিন্তাটা কোয়ালিটি সম্পন্ন হয় তাহলে is the large part of quality of your information system, তাহলে আমার information system কোয়ালিটি সম্পন্ন হবে। The quality of our thinking, answer B. Which of the following is not included in 3 level of data abstraction? Here physical, logical view এটা ঠিক আছে, so answer is here data link. Data link is not included in the 3 level of data abstraction. Analyzing data from different source and perspective and summarizing it into useful information is data bank. So analyzing data from different source and perspective, summarize it useful information is data bank. Enterprise resource planning, we know it, ERP, has been made possible because of advantage of hardware and software. It is true. ERP use client server network is also true. ERP create of database. Create of database is also true. So here answer is D. All of the above is true for ERP. Which is true for ERP, enterprise resource planning, has extended over a decade. এটা ঠিক না, it is not true. Does not integrated with the functional area, it is also false. ERP is inexpensive in the implication, inexpensive, it is also false. So answer is D. ERP automated and integrate the majority of the business process. ERP automated and integrated the majority of the business process, which consists of instruction and data that compute manipulates to perform data. Here, which consists of instruction and data that compute manipulate, it is the related with software, which consists of instruction. So basic relation with the instruction is software. Consist of instruction and data that computer manipulates and perform data processing tasks is the software. So software consists of instruction and data that computer manipulate and perform data processing tasks. Which of the term used for sequence of instruction for the computer? Here, program. Program used for sequential of instruction of the computer. Which computer-based model is developed after human brain? Here, neural network. Which one of the following is used for evaluating credit risks? We know the credit risks. Also here, credit risks, virtual reality, physiologic, none of this. Here also says the neural network, so we should understand what is neural network. Knowledge-based system support dash, knowledge of reaction, knowledge of support, knowledge of dissemination. So answer is D, all of the above. Dash is a collection of logical related record and file. Here, database. Database is a collection of logical related records and files. Answer C. What digit is called a bit? What digit is called a bit? Binary digit. So binary digit is called a bit. Which component of the computer consists of physical entity of the device? Physical entity means hardware. So relation with the physical. We can touch it. So hardware component of the computer consists of physical entity of the device. Distribution resource planning, DRP, is a time phase stock replenishment plan for all level of distribution. In what way the distribution relationship planning and material requisite planning similar? It is the both employ similar logic and procedure. All of the following are the advantage of ERP except is create commonly database, increase communication, help integration multiple site, but not require major change in the company, its process implementation. Answer is D. So here it is not the advantage of ERP. Which of the following is false concerning the ERP? Here it attempt to automate the integrate. It is true. It share common data to practices across the enterprise. Is okay. C is not true. It is inexpensive and got a possessive image. Okay. So answer is C. 299. The segment in which business directly sell to the end customer or consumer is called business to consumer. The segment in which business directly sell to the end consumer is called business to consumer. The manipulation of binary information is done by logic circuit called gates. Logical gate. So here we completed 300 objectives. and from our information technologies